children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Children, now we will read conditional sentences. Let's learn. Conditional sentences put a condition for the action of the main clause to happen or to take place. In other words, a sentence that has two clauses, one that tells about a condition and the other that tells about the result, is called a conditional sentence. जो conditional sentences होते हैं वो कैसे होते हैं? उनके दो clauses होते हैं, उनमें से एक तो condition को बताता है और जो दूसरा होता है वो result को बताता है, तो उसको conditional sentence कहते हैं. A conditional sentence is used to talk about the result that may happen only if a condition is fulfilled. जो conditional sentence होते हैं वो क्या show करते हैं कि वो उसी condition में complete होंगे जब condition को fulfill किया जाएगा. Sentences like if you phone him he will come are called conditionals. If you phone him is called an if clause or dependent clause. इसमें क्या है, एक तो if clause है, दूसरा dependent clause है. जो he will come है वो dependent clause है. Is called the main clause or independent clause. उसे क्या कहते हैं, main clause या independent clause. The meaning of conditional depends on the verb forms, which have several different patterns. Mainly there are 4 types of conditionals. They are usually called type 0, first, second and third. जो 4 types हैं वो कौन कौन से हैं? Type 0, first, second and third. Now first is zero conditional sentence. The zero conditional sentences are used to talk about scientific facts and general truth. जो zero conditionals होते हैं वो scientific fact या general truth को बताएंगे. For example, if you work hard with your studies, you pass the exam. If you boil water, it changes into water vapors. One gets tired if one runs for 2 hours regularly. If you keep clean, you remain healthy. In zero conditional sentences, we use the simple present tense in both the clauses. Second, first conditional sentence. Form simple present tense in the if clause. If clause में क्या होगा? Simple present tense. And simple future tense in the main clause. We can also use can, may plus base form of the verb in place of simple future tense. Examples: if you work hard, you will get a first class. If it rains, we will postpone our trip. If you take a taxi, you can catch the train. If you hit the dog, it may bite you. Conditionals of this type tells us that something will happen if a certain condition is fulfilled. क्या बताता है कि अगर certain condition fulfill होती है तो ऐसा हो सकता है. Note that the simple present tense in the if clause refers to the future time. जो if clause का simple present tense होगा वो किसको refer करेगा? Future time को. Next is second conditional sentences. Form simple past tense in the if clause and would, could base form of the verb in the main clause. Main clause में क्या होगा? Would, could और base form of the verb होगी और simple past tense if clause में होगा. We use this type of conditions to express actions or situations that are probable or not likely to occur. We use the simple past or past continuous tense in the if clause. If clause में हम past या past continuous tense का use करेंगे and modal auxiliary verbs like would, could, might, etc. in the main clause. Examples: if I were on holiday today, I would go to the beach, but it is unlikely that I were on a holiday. I would give her a call if I knew her number, but I don't know her number. उसका नंबर पता नहीं है. If we started now, we could be in time, but we are not able to start now. If you phoned her, she might come, but you don't seem to be willing to phone her. Now fourth is third conditional sentences. अब इसमें क्या होता है? जो इसकी फॉर्मेशन है वो कैसी है? Past perfect tense in the if clause. If clause में past perfect tense and would plus have plus past participle in the main clause. Main clause में would plus have plus past participle का use होगा. We use this type of conditionals to talk about imagined actions or events in the past which didn't happen in the past. It refers to result that will never take place because the imagined actions didn't happen. क्योंकि इसमें सब कुछ क्या होता है, imaginary होता है, तो जो imagined action होते हैं वो कभी होते नहीं हैं. We use the past perfect tense in if clause. If clause में past perfect tense का use होगा and past modal auxiliary verb would have, done, etc. in the main clause. For example, if I had practiced harder, I would have won the match. If you had worked hard, you would have got first class. If I had seen him, I would have saved him from drowning. If you had run, you could have caught the bus. If I hadn't been tired, I would have gone out last night. The following table will help you understand the basic structure of conditional sentences. इस टेबल को ध्यान से देखिए. Conditional, if clause, condition, main clause, result. Zero conditional, simple present और main clause में simple present. First conditional, simple present, will plus won't plus verb. Second conditional, simple past, would plus verb. Third conditional, past perfect, would have plus past participle. I hope these all are clear to you now. This is your exercise. You have to complete it.